Hey everybody, Joy here. It's Sunday morning, November 8, 2020. And I have something exciting to tell all of you this morning. I haven't chosen the winner yet because that can't happen until 2 o'clock today. I've decided that next time I do a contest, a giveaway, I am going to let there be 100 comments and then I'm going to stop. Because I've got over 400 comments and I was hoping that if I stopped it in less than 24 hours, that there wouldn't be that many and you'd have a really good chance to win. So next time, I'm going to say, when I get comment number 100, I'm turning it off and we're going to choose a winner. 1 out of 100 is going to be, you know, a lot better chance than 1 out of 400 or 500. Okay, let me take a sipper. I have in my hand 3 Post-it notes that all say the same thing. They're all reminders that I've had stuck all around my computer. So I wouldn't forget to tell you something really important. Yes, a lot of you found me because of Surefit Designs. A lot of you have seen me do sew-alongs with Surefit Designs. A lot of you have heard Glenda talk about me. You've seen my picture over there. She's talked about me. I've talked about her. So she has this special thing coming up. And I think it's going to be really nice. Now, you know how long I've been using Surefit Designs. Since 2009. This is 2020. And you know I love it, love it, love it. One would think that I would not need any more tutorials. Well, one would be wrong. Any tutorial Glenda does, I always watch them because, if nothing else, it's a refresher course. And I always say, oh, I forgot about that. Oh, I forgot about that. Or, oh, I don't remember that. She has a video. I'm going to link it below. And I'm also going to show it to you right now because I have Glenda's permission to do it. Although I'm a little afraid that it's going to ding me and say, you're not allowed to show this. It's not your video. So I may just have to give you the link to it. I'm not sure. But whatever there is, there is. If I don't show it to you here, other than the picture of it, click on the link below in the description box, okay? And you can watch or talk about it. Let me look at it, and then I'll come back and tell you some more. How about that? Duh. All right. I have written it down. Because like I said, I'm afraid if I show you the video on my video, YouTube's going to have a fit and say I stole somebody's property or whatever. Okay. And remember, I'll put a link below. But this is basically what she says in her video about this event. It's called, For Newbies, Let's Talk Pattern Fitting, Drawing the Dress Pattern. Okay, that's right from the actual screen. Alright, so it's 11:15 next Sunday. I don't know what time it is Central Time, but it's 1 p.m. Pacific Time, USA, and it's live. And it's 90 minutes live. So, I'm assuming that means you have to watch it then or you cannot watch it again, especially since it's $20. So, it's not just anybody can watch it because nobody paid their $20 except us, right? Glenda probably watches my videos and like, oh my Lord. Anyway, it's live. It's 90 minutes. That's an hour and a half. That's a lot of information. And Glenda's very, very detailed when she does her videos. You pay $20. $20. One-time fee of $20. But you're actually going to get that back because she is going to give you a downloadable information sheet on measuring and designing. Oh, look, I forgot to dot an I. Oh, dear Lord, you'll never be able to read it. Let me dot that I. Whoa. Designing. There. That makes more sense. Okay. It's live, 90 minutes. You pay $20, but you get an information sheet that you can download on measuring and designing. You get a coupon for free shipping. So that would mean you can only use it one time. Okay, so once you get the coupon, you can order whatever you want and have free shipping at one time. Then she's going to give you a design along on the basic blouse. Now, she didn't really get too specific on that. I don't know if that's a video or a paper that she sends you or what. But she said this alone is $9.95 on the design along on the basic blouse, okay? So you get these 3 things, and then the $20 is just help to help them pay the cost of doing all this for us, right? Okay? So, if you want to do it, click on the link below, watch her video for more information, or you can go directly to surefitdesigns.com. And then when you get there, you'll see this thing where it says up at the top, and those tabs are, one of them says live events. Click on live events. Then when you click on it, I think there's 2 or 3 of them, click on the one for November 15. Alright, and I'm sure from there you'll know what to do. Okay, but I just think this is super cool. You know how much I've used Surefit Designs, and I wouldn't miss it for anything. So, refresher courses are always wonderful. And if you've bought it, I know an awful lot of you bought the kits back when we were doing I was doing the tutorial on the blouse. And the blouse is made from the dress kit, remember? And she's going to do a dress. But you can also do a blouse. You can do a jacket. You can do a house coat. You can do all kinds of things. So she's going to make the dress. So a lot of you have the dress kit. And you can pull it out from wherever you have it hidden away because you've never opened it. And you can learn a whole bunch on November 15. Okay? Glenda did not ask me to do this. I just love Glenda and I love Surefit Designs. And I asked her, I said, would you mind if I tell all my subscribers about it? And she said, oh no. She said, just tell me when you do it so I'll be prepared. Okay? So, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to be there. And then I'll know you're there. And you can ask questions. Did I tell you? You can ask her questions that day. So how cool will that be? So I'm going to let you go. I haven't chosen a winner yet for the placemats. That'll be a separate video. Okay? I wanted to get this up right away so you would have plenty of time, with it just being 1 week away, to get your kit out, get your table set up, your chair set up, your drink ready, everything prepared for a lovely 90 minutes with Glenda next Sunday. Bye for now.